That's so yesterday, understanding trendy English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard but might not fully understand. That's so yesterday. This phrase is not only popular but also a great example of how language captures changes in culture and trends. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. When someone says, "That's so yesterday," they're not talking about the day before today. Instead, this phrase is a colloquial way of saying that something is outdated, old-fashioned, or no longer trendy. It's often used to describe things like fashion, technology, or ideas that were once popular but are now considered passé. The exact origins of "that's so yesterday" are a bit nebulous, but it's clear that it emerged from the fast-paced world of fashion and pop culture. This phrase perfectly captures the fleeting nature of trends, where what's in vogue one day can quickly become outdated the next. Its popularity in mainstream media, particularly in songs, movies, and TV shows, has cemented its place in everyday English. Using "that's so yesterday" is simple, but it's all about the context. Here are some examples to help you understand how to incorporate it into your conversations. Fashion: bell-bottom jeans? Those are so yesterday. Technology: you still use that old phone model? That's so yesterday. Ideas: thinking that way is so yesterday. We need to look forward. Remember, while it's a playful and informal phrase, it's best used in casual settings. It's not appropriate for formal conversations or situations where it might come across as dismissive or rude. And that's a wrap on "That's So Yesterday." We hope this video has shed some light on this trendy phrase and how you can use it to sound more like a native speaker. Remember, language is always evolving, and staying up to date with current phrases can really enrich your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.